Alright, this is the very late night stream. Here we are on this fine Sunday, almost, pretty much. I mean, this was very unexpected, but I wanted to get some things done, but here we are. Is my voice actually proper? It seems to be good. Okay, it's neat, that's neat. That is wonderful, absolutely cool. Let me just make sure I have everything set properly. Alright, that's neat. Wonderful. But yes, a bit of an unexpected stream. Very unexpected. I just wanted to get some stuff done, and for that stuff to be done, I need to be live. And I don't want to wait till Friday to get it done, right? So here I am. I'm going to be working on some Streamer.Bot stuff and whatnot. It's already a pretty calm stream, and yeah, we're gonna do some testings and try to get the work finished, and also fix the barrel rule redeem that we have. It kind of has bugged out, and I think I know why, and I just need to fix that up. And once we are done with that, we're good. We're pretty much good to go. So yeah, that's nice indeed. But yeah, let me just do this. This is going to be a very chill stream. Very chill, very nice, very tings. But yes. Let me just like set things up. Alright, that looks nice. Wonderful. And I now need Streamer.Bot. So let's bring that up. Oops, sorry. I just had my dinner like an hour ago, so I'm kind of full. So you'll see here a lot of burps probably, because I'm full. Makes sense, right? So right now I'm just getting things out so that we don't have any issues with the things. But yeah, wonderful. Alright, I think I have everything up. Okay, wait, I just forgot to check one thing. Did it actually automatically grab the thing? Okay, that's nice. Absolutely wonderful. Absolutely nice. So let me just jump into the work scene right here. Oh, right, the display is off, so let me just turn it on. There we go. So I'm going to bring that to the center of the screen so that you can see. So yeah, what we're going to test today is, well, work on today's one. Ensure that every single buy redeem works like it should, and ensure that things work. Wait, speaking of things, I forgot something, I think. Hello Mori, hello, how are you doing? How's your day been? Yes, doing some late night work, to the late night stream related work. What does that mean? Let me just put that in Google Translate. Yeah, I don't need to have some sort of a Google Translate thing on stream itself. We'll see one day. So translate. I think this is Japanese, right? Oh, you said hello. Okay. I'll be absent to your subscribe. It's alright. No, there's no problem with that. I assume you have some work, and it is a weekend, of course. Wonderful times. But yeah, it's alright. You can chill, you can lurk, or you can like do your thing. That's fine, because I'm here doing my thing as well. Okay, that's the wrong one. So we have Streamer.Bot. What we're gonna test, what we first want to do is get the death counter working properly. Like right now, if you type the death counter message, it will send a message to either Twitch or YouTube or to both, and that's not the way I want it to work. I want it to work in a way where that if somebody uses the death counter on YouTube, it will send a reply to YouTube, and if somebody uses the same command on Twitch, it will instead reply on Twitch, instead of like having to go through both YouTube and Twitch and duplicating the messages. I don't like that, so we're gonna do it right away. That should work. Yeah, that should be nice. That shouldn't be any problem. So we're gonna add that. We're gonna work on that. And once we're done with it, we're going to be testing all the redeems that we added yesterday. I mean, it's almost, yeah, it is kind of yesterday. So we're gonna test those redeems. And we're also going to be fixing my barrel roll redeem. So yeah, we're going to be testing and doing stuff. Late night chill stream where we do stuff. Yes, yes. So right now, what I want to test is if you, okay, yeah, I want to test this. Does this work as it should? It says YouTube. Do action, add YouTube. We're gonna define YouTube. What? Now I need to add a command. What is it called? Code that add? Yeah, I think it was called code that add. So we're gonna add code that add, and I should reply to myself. That it may sound weird that I'm replying to myself, but it works. It works. So it did actually duplicate it. So that means that the variable for YouTube and Twitch is user type. This is the variable. Or if you're for Streamer.Bot, right? If you actually use Streamer.Bot and you want to know how to distinguish a message between YouTube and Twitch, especially if you're a multi-streamer, you can use the variable user type and then add the Twitch or YouTube in small case as the value, and you can do it like that. So we currently have it done like that. So what we're going to do is I'm going to remove, this is Twitch messages, right? So this is for Twitch, and we're going to remove all of these things right here. We're going to delete it just like that. We're going to delete, and we're going to delete, and we're going to delete YouTube message. So there's only Twitch message on this. Then we're going to go here and we're going to delete this, delete this, delete this, and delete this. So I come to that counter add, and we're going to delete the message things, and we are going to, if you that counter add, if the user, we are going to just duplicate this because it's easier than that, and we are going to test it. So if user type equals Twitch, oops, Twitch, I'm going to actually make a bot account for Twitch, and once I get the opportunity on Streamer.Bot to get a bot account on YouTube, I'm also going to do that, and then we'll have a bit of a seamless way, because right now it's weird when I'm replying to myself, or it's a bot that's replying as me, but it is still something. So we're gonna add a break. So if I am right, it will now do, let's go to here and let's type in code that, oops, add. We're just going to copy this, and it's increased to 6. It only replied to me once. And it not send it to my YouTube. But if I go to YouTube and do the same here, it should now reply back to me as 7. So now it's not putting it back to the, it's now not putting it on Twitch, so we're not getting any duplicate messages. So if you type the command code that add, then you can, if whether it be on Twitch or YouTube, it will reply to just that platform instead of replying to both YouTube and Twitch. So I have figured that out. Now we just need to duplicate the process for the rest of the 2 commands that is there for the dead counter. So what we're going to do once again is duplicate the dead counter current. This is what gives you what my dead count currently is, which I'll show in a bit if you're looking for it. But this is how we are going to duplicate this and duplicate this. Okay, so we're going to call this Twitch, and we are going to call this, oops, oh, I guess that's fine. I'm going to call this YouTube. So what we want to do is remove these things. Yeah, it's a bit of a work to have it all duplicated in, have the commands duplicated, but it is nice to have it nicely neatly arranged. I do wish I could zoom in, but for some reason my zoom does not work anymore. I really have no idea why that zoom does not work. Every single time I zoom, it just won't zoom in, although it gets activated. I'm not sure why, but yeah, it's a bit of a sadness. I really like zooming in and showing it. You know what, maybe I should just test that once more. Maybe this time it could be a charm and work, but we're going to delete that. And we're going to, whoops, yeah, that is the one. And also going to add that. So yeah, can I actually apply it? Yeah, it still doesn't work. I don't need to find a different way for to have the screen zoom. I guess we can search it up today. Yeah, so right now let's just delete the YouTube message and this, and now we come here and we delete this message, and we are going to just add a sub action and go for the file, sorry, I mean logic. If variable user type equals value Twitch, do action that counter current Twitch. Oops, fuck's sake. Then continue. If, I mean, I could just duplicate this. Why am I even trying to do that? Duplicate. User type equals YouTube break. Okay. Now, if I use the command that counter like so, oops, it's called code that. I keep forgetting my own command. So I died 7 times. I died more than 7 times to be honest, but yeah, I died 7 times in here, and it just replied to me on Twitch. There's no reply to me on YouTube here. So if I do this code that, it will now reply to me on YouTube, and there will not be a duplicate on Twitch. What the fuck? There's a duplicate on Twitch. Okay, did I miss something up? Oopsie daisy. I think I messed something up. No. So how did you just do that? Did I? Oh, okay, my bad. Okay, now it should be proper. Alright, so we're going to add code that, and now it should apply to me on YouTube right about now. There we go. Wonderful. So that's the thing. There we go. As you can see down there, it's right there. So yeah, we got that done. Now moving on to the next death counter work, we need to add the death counter remove. This is, how is my restrictions right now for the death counters? I have to check that, but yeah, we'll say that. First, we're just going to duplicate this. We're going to call this Twitch, and we're going to call this YouTube. Alright, now that we have done that, we're going to delete everything, and we're going to delete that, we're going to delete that, we're going to delete that, and since this is Twitch, we're just going to delete the YouTube message, and we're going to delete all of these. Yes, now that we have done that, we're going to delete the YouTube and Twitch message, and then we're going to add a sub action, and we're going to go back to logic. If user type with a capital T, value is YouTube, to action that counter remove YouTube, add action back. We can just duplicate this every single time. Alright, if user type is Twitch, do action that counter Twitch, and then break. So if we do it like this, and if I do code that, what is the command for it? I think I had set to code that minus. Yeah, it is minus. So code that minus. It should now deduct my points right there. Now, if I do the same thing on Twitch, it should now just reply to me on Twitch. There we go. That works. Wonderful. Absolutely nice. This is wonderful. So, moving back to the next thing, we had the dat counters, which is working now. Does anybody have actually any recommendation for sound triggers? We could add it if anybody got recommendations, but right now I don't know. I don't know what kind of thing we could have, but yeah, that's it. So, moving back to actions, the next thing we need to do is to fix our barrel roll. So to do that, I'm just going to go into OBS, but you guys will not be seeing my OBS, which is a bit of a bummer for a moment, but just once we're done fixing that, it should work. I believe so. But right now I just need to confirm some things. Oops. Okay, never mind. So that's the thing. Okay, so I guess I could do that. VSF layer final. Alright. So we have the ultra barrel roll, and this is going to go, and this is going to find VSF layer final. So now if I come back to studio mode, or if I do by barrel roll like so, it should now properly work like it hasn't worked properly right before. So now I should, there we go, that's working properly. Now I'm inside the box and it is working exactly as it should. There we go, we have finally fixed the barrel roll, which has not been working for the last, ever since I got this new overlay, it has not been working properly. So now we have that. So now we have fixed it. It was a simple fix, yes, but I've just figured it out today on why it was not working earlier in today's early stream, the one I did, the unboxing stream. Yeah. Now moving on, we're going to be testing all the buy commands to see if everything will work. So what we're going to do is, should I do it like that or should I do it like that? I think it's fine. I think it should be fine. Also, I should probably add a hue to this and remove the cooldown. I think I removed the cooldown for this from the by sensor code. Yeah, I still have the cooldown, so we're going to remove this cooldown and we are going to save it, right? So now with that gone, that means you can literally spam the buy command and you can censor me. It's nice, ain't it? I do like not having cooldowns. Indeed. We like chaos here, provided I actually do get chaos, which I do not get anymore as frequently. It exists but not that frequently. Okay, so what I'm going to do is create a queue for this. We are going to call that queue, oops, we're going to add the tag V for voice mode and call it sensor. Yes, yes. And we're going to have it be blocking. I believe blocking means it executes it one by one. So we're going to do that. Okay. Yeah, I guess I could test it out. Let's do by commands. Okay, but first I need to set the queue up. Where's my Botisimo? Okay. Not Botisimo. I need to go here in actions and in sensor. Have the queue BCV sensor and have it that do that. Okay. You're going to go and test this on Twitch because Twitch is faster right now. By sensor code. I'm going to do it once more. That's no longer. Okay, we are going to do it a bit longer. Okay, so cool. Wow. But is the 5 seconds a bit too low? Can I spam it? Okay, let's spam it. I can. Okay, so we can spam it. That is wonderful. Although I do need to get rid of the GIFs over there, like what the ones you're seeing on screen. Now it's like literally duplicating itself because I'm seeing myself on Twitch, which is seeing myself on Twitch. I can still see the GIF in the last screen in there. Holy shit, that is very very deep. Helema. So yeah, we no longer will have the basically Botisimo will no longer relay the chat between YouTube and Twitch, especially the by commands, because now that we have Streamer.Bot, we can literally just have it see the stream itself, whether it be on YouTube or Twitch, because it will be there. So we don't need to duplicate have it the commands be relayed. So we're going to have a cleaner chat, but I still do not know how to fix this goddamn chat box below, because that chat box still takes every single message that Botisimo outputs and shows it here, including the command messages that anybody sends. Like seriously, why the hell is it such a basic thing still not a fixed thing is beyond me, but fine. If I could find a multi-stream chat that could be converted to horizontal chat, that would have been nice, but I still have not been able to find. I found a sheep chat, which I do kind of use, but the issue with that is it does not work as properly should. I mean, no, it actually works perfectly nice. The issue with it is the way they have it, the way they have their chat box. It's made to be vertical. There's nothing that is for the horizontal, and neither can you convert it anything from it to be horizontal. Even if you do the CSS on it, since it's made for the vertical thing with all the boxes and stuff, you can't really replicate that inside the horizontal chat bar. So yeah, until I can find something, that would be nice. I hope I can find some alternative. But anyways, let me drink some water first. Hello Ronbis, hello, welcome. How are you doing on this fine Saturday or Sunday, depending on wherever you are? How are you on this fine day? And what's up? Yeah. So right now I'm just like working on things, fixing commands, fixing our channel point redeems and stuff. So we are doing those things. And right now I just tested vSensor. Okay, that feels good. I don't think I want to have the one for Comrade. So what we are going to do is I'm going to activate every single one of these one by one. So we have done barrel road, we have tested sensor code. So what we are going to test now is Chaos, Comrade, Opium. Alright. So we are going to test by Chaos. So now it should do. That's a bit of a delay. Alright, it's Botisimo's delay. I forgot Botisimo is slow. Okay, there we go. yeah, that does do quite a lot of things. So one, it's working. Perfect, absolutely perfect. Moving on to the next command, we're going to go with copium. But I will just wait for this head that you see right here to get smaller and get back to normal. Because right now I can't do the test. Okay, there we go. Shouldn't there be a sound for it? There's no sound for it, okay. Let me just like fix the settings a bit. Which one was it? Features? FX settings? Yes, it was FX settings. Miss 100. Was it supposed to be 100? No, it's fine to be 100. Okay, I think so. I think it should be fine to have it be 100. Yeah, that should be hopefully be fine. Okay, so I'm going to just minimize that, and we're going to test the next command, which is going to be by copium. So it should now activate the thing. I'm just going to test it on Twitch to be honest, since it will be faster, because now I have to wait for Botisimo to load in, and it takes kind of a bit of a time. So where's my copium? Did I not have a copium? I'm sure I had a command for copium yesterday. We're now entering copium mode. Yeah, that is what is supposed to be there, but nothing happened. It should happen. Okay, let me just test it once more. Oops. Oh. I feel like it's not 5 seconds, but I could be wrong. I do not see the copium coming up at all. Like, this is how it's supposed to come, but the copium is not coming at all. That's my copium. Like, seriously, that's my copium. Hello Kozaku-chan, hello Kozaku, how are you doing on this fun Saturday? Emotional damage indeed. That's a nice idea to have as a sound trigger. We could have some kind of a sound trigger to one of my emotes. So yes, emotional damage, that is a good one. And I was thinking of adding some sound triggers. I can definitely add that as a sound trigger. Thank you for the good idea, Kozaku. But how's your day been? How's your thing been? This should have worked, but this is not working for some reason. Did something happen here? Features. Was it true? No, it is prop toggle. Why did that reset itself? Okay. I don't know why that reset itself, but okay. So copium. We're going to set the key to be F19. And I believe the copium's code was Alt Shift 19. So we're gonna remove this. There we go. Now it should be working. If I do this, there we go. That's the mask. I mean, it's not right because it's 2D on a 3D model, so of course it's not going to work properly. But yeah. And once again, hello Kozaku, how's your day been? So we are done with the copium. I do like the copium thing. I do wish there was a way to have a 3D model. I couldn't find a 3D model for it, but if I do find it, we're going to replace the 2D with 3D, because 3D looks better on a 3D model after all. So what we're going to do is text by drop and by eat. Okay. So we're going to do a by drop, and you're going to see something pop on top of my head, like this box. Now, how do I get rid of this? Is a bit of an issue. Okay, there we go. I just needed to move a lot of my hands, but yeah, it's nice that I can use my hands to remove boxes. Like, it's such a nice, useful skill to have hands. You can just pop the box out just like that. Use your hand, boom. All right, moving on. Next up, we will be getting buy eat. So now there should be food right here, and I'm going to eat this banana, and I just ate this banana. So yeah, there we go. There's the banana eaten. Now I'm kind of full. I was full. Now I'm even more full. Yeah. All right. So we have tested by it. None of these messages are going between YouTube and Twitch, and that is the good thing. That they're not getting relayed, especially the commands, because the general idea is not to have these commands be relayed. Although they are showing up in the chat box, which is absolutely annoying me. I'm trying to not relay them across, but they get relayed in the chat box. So we're gonna have to find a way to fix that. Alright, moving on. We have done the eat. We will come back to highlight in a bit, but first we're just going to do the other things. The hydrate is going to be, we're going to disable that. Yeah, okay. So we have the hydrate and we have the jail code. Yep, okay. So we're going to hydrate myself by hydrate. For fuck's sake, my English. So now it should. Yeah, I need to do something about that. Like, as much as I like the idea of having give in the thing, it will take up a lot of time. I should probably reduce a lot of the things that are there for the other ones. But yeah, going forward, we're going to buy jail code. So now there should be a bar like here. Now I'm out of the jail. Hello from jail. But yes, that's since I use the hydrate command, that of course means that I'm going to have to hydrate myself. So I'm going to drink water. Alright, there we go. Wonderful. So now that we are done testing that and ensuring that it's not doing the thing, I'm going to go with low-res code. Okay, and we're going to go with Nia. So okay, outfit change. Okay, so I have one problem. What I could do is I think I have an idea on how to fix that thing so that it can work on both YouTube and Twitch as well. But yeah, so moving on, the next thing we are going to test is low resolution and yeah. Okay, so buy low res code and buy Nia.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Okay, so I get that. Well, I guess since I redeemed it myself, I guess I'll have to say nya nya every single time I do a sentence. Yeah, when you put the rules on your own self, yeah, you gotta do it as well, yeah, even if it's you that actually initiated the command. But yeah, we will just be going forwards in the one, yeah. Okay, the next thing we need to do now is to buy the pants, and let's do that. Yeah, buy pan time like so, and I should get hit by a pan now. Yeah, like just like that. Wait, was that pan pixelated one? Let me just, oh no, I think it was a pixel one. Holy shit. So yeah, basically that's that. So going back to the work scene, which is right here. This jail look absolutely great in the work scene than it does in any of the other scenes. That is true, yeah. And I'm going to stop saying yeah because advantages of being my own self who initiated it. So we have to set code on fire, star rain, and stretch. Okay, so by star rain, by set code on fire. I don't think you guys saw it, but that was yep, there we go. Set code on fire, and if I do this again, I shall now have stars that are also burning with me. So yeah, we have lots of interesting things, and I'm actually proud of it. For some reason, okay, never mind. I think that should be safe. Yeah, that should be safe. Good. Alright, moving on. We have done the star rain, so we're going to go stretch and throw. So we're going to buy stretch, and we're going to buy
Stretch!
throw.
Stretch!
Ouch! What the fuck did it just hit me? Was it a frog? Did I see a frog hit me? I think I saw a frog hit me. Okay, it was definitely a frog, wasn't it? I think it definitely was a frog. Okay, so we have the next Talk Life and Victory. So we're going to buy a Victory, and we're going to buy a Talk Life. And now I shall become a Tug. That is a big delay. That is not something I want in that. I don't know what is a big delay, so let's fix that. Oh, my bad. No. I shouldn't really be delay for it. It should be instantaneous, which is weird. Let me just do that once more. There shouldn't really be that much of a delay. Like, it should get activated right now, but instead it takes a lot of time to get activated, which is weird. So let me just check the scene, which is like right here. Like, I do not know why it does that. I wanna hear that, but filters, maximum duration 15. Okay, so if I go to VSF Flare 2, that's weird, but I still can do that. It should work properly then. I don't know why it's not working like that. Tug Life. Yeah. Oh, okay, there we go. That's why. There we go. This should fix it then. So if I do this once more, if I do it this time, this should actually work instantaneously. So like right here. That is absolutely a good shot. That's a good shot. I'm just going to save that as a screenshot right now. It is such a good shot. Like, holy shit. It is such a good placement. I didn't even do anything for it, but it is such a good placement. Alright. So I've done that. Now moving on to the next thing in the list. I don't have a claim command, but that's from Botisimo. And we had that. We had a quote, but I do need to get the code to work set up on the Streamer.Bot itself. At the moment, I have an issue with the code not working. So until then, we're not going to be having a code based in in Streamer.Bot. But I do have a lot of codes, so let's see. So right now, we're going to go and we're going to go for what? Claim? I mean, claim does work. Did it actually do a relay on the things? No, it did not. But yeah, we're just going to claim some points because I do need some points just in case. I don't know if I have that many shit. Okay, I do have 699,430. Ooh. Do I actually have anything that costs like 10 points? I don't have anything that costs me 10 points to get the magic number of 69,420. Okay. I can just like reduce the price of this thing for just a moment and do the thing. Buy sensor code, and then we buy the gears. And now why that did not? I swear, there we go. Oops, sorry. There we go. I got the magic number. 69,420. There we go. Wonderful. Wonderful. Okay, back to increasing the price to normal before somebody else starts spamming the thing. So 30. There we go. So alright. So what I want to do right now is have the outfit change redeem inside Streamer.Bot itself. But I think I know how I can do it, but I'm not yet sure. So let me just go and let's just add a name, call it BeepoBox. It's not a BeepoBox redeem. We're just going to call it redeem then because it's not related to BeepoBox. I don't want to create a subtype redeem called that. We're going to call it redeem outfit change. I'm going to put it in the group that we're going to add a queue after this. So wait. Wouldn't I want to actually have separate? Okay, this is going to be complicated then. I'm going to skip on this one. I will have it ready, but I think I'll work on it on my off time because that will probably be a lot of work for sure. There'll definitely be a lot of work. Either A, I have it inside the thing, like inside a C sharp code, or B, I'll have to do what I did here. Honestly speaking, I can actually also do this with a C sharp code, but I don't know C sharp, right? I think I'll seek some help and see. So for now, we're just going to create a queue for this. So we're going to go to action queues, and we're going to add our outfit change. There we go. Good. Alright, so what else do we have? We tested every single redeem pretty much, and they all work except, okay, we did want to get one of them. So we're going to do buy comrade, and this should make it that like that. Good. So I don't have anything over here, which is good. Okay, for some reason gears. Why does that one show up? Did I have a... No, I don't have a command called gears. And that shouldn't really be relaying across it. But for some reason it's relaying across, which is weird. What? We do have one more redeem to work on. And for some reason the comrade didn't work out. Okay, so let me just see why that didn't work out. Comrade, radio demon, yes, that is. Which one is the radio demon thing? Did I not have it set up by chance? Let me just see here. There should be an activating okay, it's not there. I forgot about it. Whoops. Yeah, this is why I wanted to do this stream, so that I could test and see. So activating comrade voice. I'm going to add this. And YouTube message. Activating comrade voice anywhere. But it must be Botisimo, like so. And now we should action voice mode comrade. Okay, so if we do this, I'm going to have it be blocking. Yeah, I'll have to have the queue set it because I do remembering that. Okay, don't add a queue. So we're going to add a queue to the... I mean, I don't think anybody is going to do that. Yeah, I won't do it until I feel like somebody is going to try to spam the comrade. So by comrade, like so. And now it should work as soon as Botisimo replies, which is might take a bit of a time on YouTube. Let's just spam this. Ting 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 tong. It should now work. Botisimo. And this is one of the pins that annoys me of Botisimo, but what can I do? Okay, it's still not reverting. Okay, fine. I guess I'll just go and do it from here. Comrade. I really wanted to work from Discord, but it did not work from Discord. Sadly. Why the fucking hell did that work up? What the fuck? Why are you the one that come up? That's bullshit. Yeah, that's my comrade. So why the fucking hell is that the one? Why did this pop up? It shouldn't pop up. But for some reason it just popped up. What the fuck? What the fuck? Okay. Okay, fine. I don't know why that popped up, but okay, fine. I don't know. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Anyways, so right now that thing is working, and it's going to be like here for what, 2 minutes? It's going to be here for 2 minutes. And damn, is it loud? Like I feel like voice mode have increased the voice of all the voices that they have, because it feels like it's louder now. And I don't remember it being this loud before the updates from voice mode, unless it's just my memory failing me, I guess. Anyways, Anyways, continuing on with your walk, we are going to walk on the by highlight. So currently, the way we have it is that that's my by highlight. I'm pretty sure I have. Did it change my voice or something? Oh, it did. Wow. This is not what I like. I'm going to do the reset like so, and now I have to jump into voice mode and fix it. This voice enhancer is like kind of a bit delayed. You see, I have a habit of listening to my own voice. Like right now, as you are seeing, I actually listen to my own voice as well. Yes, you see this thing pop up? It's me listening to my voice. Every single time I talk, I not only do you guys get to hear my voice, I even hear my own voice. And the voice enhancer thing that voice mode gives is has a bit of a slight delay on it. Which makes it so that you can literally feel the delay, and it makes it sound so weird. But a clean one does not have that delays, which is a good thing. And which is why I use it. But yeah, it is a bit annoying. So moving on, the next thing we are going to do is to see the. I know I had a command for the voice for the Botisimo. Redeem TTS for YouTube, yes. So redeem TTS for YouTube. So what is my TTS for YouTube? I can't seem to find it. I know it has an action, but I can't seem to find the action. Where the fuck is the action? Also, right, we do have the lurk thing. Yeah, I didn't test the lurk. Did we have a lurk option somewhere? I know we had a lurk. Okay. So, I don't know what this does. I don't think I tested it. So, let me just test it. So, when I type in lurk, it's no longer lurking. Okay. So, it gives me this. And then when I type in lurk again. Okay, that's a weird thing. I guess I don't really need this. The Botisimo's lurking probably does a bit better job. I think we're going to remove this one. We don't want this. We're going to delete this. And we're going to delete this thing. Alright. Now that we have deleted it, where's my TTS? I know I had a TTS for YouTube. Unless it should be here. Okay, we don't need the hammer command as well, so let's play that. But I'm not so sure that we had a TTS command. I'm pretty sure I had a command for it, but I can't seem to find it. I just saw it a while ago. So where did that disappear off to? Oh, found it. There we go. Found it. So this does it like so. Redeem TTS for YouTube. Okay. And we now need to find the thing. Okay, so what does Botisimo reply as? Whenever you do the thing, right? How does Botisimo reply it? Does it say I say? Twitch speaker does not have anything. Wait. The thing. Okay. Okay. So what I'm going to do right now is find the by highlight and remove the part of send chat relay. I believe the command is okay. Minimum permission is for regulars because it is supposed to be a special thing just available for my regular viewers. It's also for VIPs on Twitch, basically VIP or regular. If you're on YouTube, it's going to be regular on Botisimo side. And if you're on Twitch, it's going to be VIP, basically. So, we had a buy highlight, and we're going to save this. And now, I'm going to go here and type in exclamation mark buy highlight YouTube test message. This is going to take a bit of a time indeed. Okay, fine. It is going to take a bit of a time. I'm going to add this as YouTube message. I don't need it on Twitch, and we just need this to be Botisimo, so no moderators, so remove that. Alright. Oops. Alright. So the way the Botisimo responds is I'm still waiting for Botisimo to respond. Did I my numbers long just to go down or something? Come on, Botisimo. Okay, there we go. Exclamation. So what I can have it do is have it say, I think this could work. Exclamation mark say, and if I say it anywhere, will it work? I don't know, let's see. I buy. I'm just gonna stay. Oh shit, it's not this one. By highlight YouTube test.
Say Sun Hera code says YouTube test.
Okay, so that did not work as it should. Now let's remove this. Let's bring this to start. Let's click OK, and let's do it once more. So we'll say bye YouTube. No wait, what did that say? Oh, okay, it said it like that. Bye highlight YouTube test. So now it should work properly.
Sun Hera code says YouTube test.
There we go. There we go. It works. It works. There we go. We now have a wonderful Twitch. We want to have a TTS for our regulars, and they can use it on YouTube easily without having to go over to Twitch, or without me having to do some kind of a magic sheet that I have been doing for the last since I've been had that. Alright, I'm going to do once more. I'm going to call it by highlight Twitch test. And now sure.
Sun Hera code says Twitch test.
Wonderful. There we go. We now have it all working. Absolutely great. I am just going to go and save. What was the save settings again? Okay, there we go. Back. I just don't want to lose the settings, you know. Alright, back down here. Like so. Alright. So we have that. We have fixed that, which is absolutely great. Which is absolutely great. So next up, I'm gonna need is to we have done the redeems, right? And we have done the highlight message as well. We have done the drops. The next thing that I do want to do is to have the emotional damage thing, but I don't have anything that could. I don't think I have any emote that can be used as emotional damage. I don't really see any emote here that can actually be used for emotional damage. Yeah, I don't see it. I don't even have any emote for myself that could indicate that it was an emotional damage. Okay, fine. If anybody has any idea on the sound triggers and the emotes for sound triggers, do let me know. We do like to do that. Oh wait, maybe it's something here. Damage. Emotional damage. Okay, there's nothing on that. Okay, fine. I guess I can't really figure out a good way. Okay, good. Alright, so we have done the clip thing. This clip is very nice. I don't like the clipper. It was worth it. So now, here the laugh. It is not called AOE2 laugh though. I just had the laugh track. I'm going to change that to laugh. And do I need to do anything else today? What was the other thing that I wanted to do? That was a C# thing, but we're not going to be touching C# today. No. I don't want to fucking fry my brain at this late of the night. I don't want to fry my brain because it's going to fry my brain for sure. I know I wanted to do something else as well. But what was it? Yeah, I did. There's a point system, yes, but the thing with the point system is that it is only for Twitch, and I can't have it working on YouTube properly, and that's a bit of a problem. I could have a separate system developed for YouTube by somebody, but I want a multi-streams thing. But yeah, we are gonna just keep it like that, and we are gonna be what is that? There's a Botisimo thing. Okay, you know what? I'm going to blur Botisimo for a bit. Right? I think you guys could see it. You guys might not see it. Regardless, I just need to find the damn thing that has been like I don't know what this thing is. Okay. Alright. We're going to add it once more. Seriously, I don't get it. Why do I have it like that? Alright. So let's go back to turning the blur off. Like, I have a thing, right? Which is the Botisimo thing, but I really do not want it to show all these messages that are from Botisimo, or even the command messages. Like, it's about sensor. Oh wait, it's called bytecode sensor. Oh fuck's sake, it's called by sensor code. I really have bad times with the name. This is the annoying part. I don't want those messages down there, and I don't have any alternative on the chat box. Like seriously, I need a way to not have Botisimo. Like, is there really no alternative with a better chat widget? There is stream elements, yes, but they do not have a multi-streaming thing. You had a Twitch separate and YouTube separate in that, and that is what I used to use before, and I hated it so much that I got rid of it because it was like two separate chat boxes, and it didn't really look nice. And if we have an option, let's see. Let's say, why do I even get this? Can I like remove this? I don't want this. Fucking hell, Google. I don't want news on my fucking feed. Every single company nowadays wants to have a news on plastered to your face. You go to Reddit, you'll fucking have plastered with news. You go to YouTube, not YouTube. YouTube is fine. You go to Google, get plastered with news. You go to Facebook, get plastered with news. You go to Twitter, get plastered with news. Can I like stop getting plastered with news? I don't want to fucking watch news. I hate news. Multi-stream chat. Wasn't there another cross-platform chat? There's a sheep one, which I have, and has issues. I'm pretty sure there was another one that I came across while I was looking for sheep, and I remember it was kind of deprecated or something. Yeah, it's not the one. Oh no, there was one place somewhere. But alright, I did actually try that one, but that was a stupid thing. I don't know. I want a horizontal chat. It looks nice, that is clean, that can be customized with whatever font I want. Yeah, I don't know. There is a way that I could make it work, but then it would involve a lot of HTML and stuff, and I'm not good with it. Maybe it's time that I stop fucking around, that I will not touch them and actually start touching them if I want to make what I want, instead of having to rely on people that definitely don't want to do the thing I want. Like, as I said, that Botisimo issue down there, that is not going to be fixed for sure. Anyways, what do we do? Yeah, I don't see it. There's another one apart from sheep chat. I don't remember where it was. There's another 2022 recent one. Does it have actual people? This is hilarious. Change team to boxed or your eyes still get cancer. Yeah, they have sheep chat, which I do actually use and used to use, but is there like anything I can find? Nope. There's like literally no support for multi-streaming because people just stick to either a single platform. Yeah, basically it's just stick to a single platform, and there's literally no help for multi-streamers. That's not even a dedicated subreddit for just multi-streamers or even a server. Like you literally have to rely on yourself and a lot of googling to make anything work for multi-stream. Like that is pretty much how I found Botisimo, because I was googling a lot and also like looking for alternative that work nicely. Okay. No, this is all. No, restream is bad. I used to like restream, but then they fucked it up. The chat is not customizable, so that's also an out. Yeah. Oops. Okay, so alright, it was a bit risky. It could have been very suspicious images because it's Twitter and I follow a lot of non-say-so things. Alright, so I guess I can't find it. It is what it is. It is what it is. I can't find that. Alright. If I can't find it, then what can we do? The outfit thing is going to revolve something. But I'm just going to blur for a bit and see if I can find some solution for a moment. Oh wait, why won't blur it when I can just go into chat scene and be there for a moment? So let me just see if I can find a thing that I could possibly use. Can it help in Streamer.Bot's chat? No, I don't think so. Alright, so now that that works, what do I do? How do I do this? Like, I literally have done everything for today, right? Do we have anything else that we can do? I mean, I could do the schedule book and stuff, but it's going to be the same thing. The only difference is I'm going to change the background of Battlefield 1, and I'm going to probably change the panels up a bit, because I'm going to stop using the BST time and I'm going to go back to using IST time on the schedule and stuff. But yeah, it seems like we don't really have anything else to do today, so I guess we can do just a design work. Yeah, I guess so. I guess that could be done. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that whatsoever. But fine. We'll just do that then. So going on to Figma. We just launch Figma. I'll just do the work. Where is my Figma? Fuck, I can't find it. Okay, found it. Alright, back to work scene. Let the Figma loading. And once that is done, we're going to do things. Come on. Oh, fuck. Okay. You know, like, yeah, that's a bit risky. I'm just going to blur that for a moment. Oh, couldn't blur it. Okay. It was kind of cut off, so I'm pretty safe with that. Fucking hell, though. I don't like that it shows me that. Why does it show me the my email on it? Fuck. Well, fuck it. Right. Was this where the Twitch panels were? No, I don't remember the Twitch panels being in here. But I will wait for it to load. Right now I do need to find an artwork as well. The first things first, we're going to change the time. I want to make it 6:30 p.m. and 6:30 and 6:30. All times are in IST. The next thing we are going to need is 30 to 5. Okay, 5-6. That's a nice date. 5-6 is a nice date. So we're going to keep 35 like so. Is it really May? I guess it's going to be May. You know what? Let's just. I mean, so my streams are going to be in June, so might as well just call it June. Well, with one letter less. Alright. Alright, so we had a battlefield. I could just keep it since we didn't really have a battlefield stream this week. So I'm just going to keep the same thing. I guess I didn't even need to do anything for it. Okay. The next thing I definitely want to do. Do I actually have a high resolution photo of something? I mean, I do have the artworks. I have the one from Akaharu and did I not? Probably is Naya's. Yeah, it's 1436. I could use it. Kind of. Oh, it is pretty big. Not bad. Okay. Okay. So we're going to find the artwork. We're going to replace the image. Go to VTuber stuff, Z stuff, artworks, and alright, we do have that work. I do need to test that thing. So we're going to do that after this. So we're going to first go and set this to Naya, like so. Okay. I guess that looks good. But it does feel like it's a bit too bright, isn't it? It's fine, it's fine. There's nothing wrong with it. So, next thing I'm going to need is... Was it art? Was it art called? That is called art by. Okay. So I'm just going to copy art by. I think it was just Naya for it. Let's go to Twitter. I think she was called just Naya. Or was it Nai? Okay, it's nice side. Okay, okay. So I'm just going to copy this and come back to Figma like so and type this. And we're going to have to actually HBY, there we go. That's wonderful. And we are pretty much done with the paneling. Schedule update. So next week's schedule is pretty much ready. Now we just need to export it. And go here and set it to that. Oops. Oh, I did. Good. Next up, we do have the Twitch panels, which just disappeared. Oh, it's in here. Never mind. So what I want to do here is, first of all, let's change this every Thursday, Friday, and Saturday at 6:30 p.m. IST. BF1 on Thursdays. Wow, I just realized that this has said BF5 on Thursday and BF1 and all that shit. And here I am, quitting, literally have quit Battlefield 5, or like, I quit Battlefield 5 last week, or about almost 2 weeks ago now. Like, I literally quit Battlefield 5 the day after I streamed Battlefield 5, after I returned from my vacation. Like, damn. And I just realized that this thing said BF1 on Thursday, chatting, work, and free. Let me just keep that. So free stream I guess I'm going to have to move that here. Free streams and chatting and free streams. I guess that could also work. Chatting and free chat and walk. Chat and walk on Friday and Saturday, something like that. Okay, that makes sense. I hope so. Alright. I am a Battlefield content creator, yes, and I'm an entertainer, yes. And it's pretty much the same. I don't think I need to change anything here. I guess I'll just need to change the about section. So let's just have the schedule. Sport schedule. Why did I save this schedule thing? Was it in the designs thing? Okay, so it should be right here. There we go. Wonderful. Okay, you know what? Since we're here anyways, might as well as like go to Twitch. What is that? Nearly done. Okay. And we're going to go to channel. Wait, oh shit. This one is the wrong one. Whoops. Create a dashboard. There we go. Oh wait, I do need to go to channel, so that's that. So we're going to go to, what was that? I keep forgetting every single time. Settings, yes. Channel. Brand, yes. So we're going to update this. We are going to call this schedule. Now it should be updated. And we're going to do the same on YouTube as well. But first I need to update a panel down there. Okay, there we go. Update complete. We now go back to my channel. And I'm being bit by some mosquito. Let's pause this. Let's edit panels, and we're going to go and find my schedule, and we are going to like go back to designs and click this. Do this. So there we go. Now it should show the new thing. So we had a 8:36 p.m. IST. There we go. And I just need to change this a bit. We will do that later. And let's go back here. Let's go here. Let's go to schedule like so. And we're going to, what is today? 30, 35 to 5, 6. Yeah, makes sense. Wait, isn't this my old schedule? Did I actually forget to? Oh my god. I forgot to change the schedule here. Holy shit. I thought I had changed it, but apparently I never. Wow. 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 How did I not realize that the schedule over here and the schedule on the other thing is completely different? GG. Okay, let's just double check. Let's go to here. Let's close this. Alright, there we go. Updated. Wonderful. Battlefield 1, free. Good. Alright, back to this place. Now, what we need to do is the... Well, I do need to decide on buying something, we got the package today, right? And right now, I want to decide on what to buy, but I really don't know what I should buy. Should I get this one? This is from an artist that I like. It's the original character, and I'm making a plush out of it. I'm not sure if I should get this one, or if I should get some anime characters available from Tokyo Taco Mode. Like, I don't know. I mean, they would come down to the similar pricing. Ooh. If I had the money for this, I'll literally buy this. This looks so good. If I had $100 to spend right now, I'll literally buy this thing. And just look at this thing. It looks so nice. Like, it looks beautiful. I love it. But I can't buy it because it's too expensive. It's too expensive. There's also plushies. The fuck? Okay. I did not know that. There's Tokyo Taco Mode also gives you plushies. Ah. Interesting. And I'm never buying an Android again. Please, somebody, if I say I'm going to buy an Android, tell me to not buy an Android and just tell me to not buy an Android again. It's a good thing. It's a good thing. But assembling it is a pain in the ass. I don't want to go through that again. It was such a pain in the ass to assemble it that I literally ran out of energy and said, fuck it, I done. Ooh, some of these are absolutely great. I might get banned from Twitch because I'm showing some very not so things, but it is what it is. So there we go. Yeah, I think we're gonna not do that. This is one of the most expensive figures I've seen. Like, literally the price of this is insane. The most expensive figure today. It costs like $1,300. Like, holy shit. I mean, I get it. The thing about this is this is an actual cloth. This thing is an actual fabric that they have put on the model, and it's highly detailed, but still it is absolutely fucking expensive. Like, holy shit. But it looks beautiful, so there's that. Even though it's expensive, that is what they are not supposed to be. Wow, it's a very interesting thing right here. Okay, yeah, yep, not touching that. There's a lot of cheap options that you can buy on Tokyo Taco Mode, which is absolutely nice. Like, look at this one. This looks pretty nice, right? Oops, not that one. Open link in new tab. Oh, I can get it for $20 only, and I am a premium member. If this is right, and if this is the price I actually get, oh, never mind. It's a welcome price. Never mind. Okay, lies. This is pretty nice looking, Like, I really like this. Like, just look at the detail. Not really much of a detail. It's a simple thing, but simple things is nice. What? Let's remove that. There's also Neon Key on Evangelion. For some reason, I was about to say Neon Galleon. Wow, look at this guy. Wow, that's neat. That is neat. But I don't think I have anything that I want to be buying from here. At least not yet. Not right now. I don't really know what I want to buy. To buy. But yeah, I do definitely want to get this. No. Just because it looks cute. Just because it looks cute. Like, just look at this. This is how. That's how big it is. Oh, come on, it's just image. But yeah, it can also stand up. So yeah. And we just have like 13 days before it never sells again. So I am gonna have to get it before it runs out of. Yeah. Well, like, nah. The thing is, it will ship in September, so that's a long wait. Like, how many months is that? If it ends in June, this funding will end in June, right? Mid-June. Mid-June to mid-July is 1. August, September. Okay, that's not that big of wait. It's like 3 months wait. Okay, that's neat. Alright, what do we do though? I think we're pretty much done. And yeah, I guess we can end the stream here. Alright, is there anything else I'm forgetting? Because then I don't want to be forgotten. Yeah, I don't think we have anything forgetting. If we did forget, then I guess I'll just see you do the work on Friday-ish. Yeah. But yeah, I think we are pretty much done for today. So this is going to be it for me for today. That has been fun. This was a fun stream. And I was able to fix the things up. Now, what am I going to do after the stream is done? You might be wondering. I'm going to go catch up on some series, some manhwas, some webtoons and whatnot, whichever. But yeah, it's been fun. I will actually do a special stream. It has been a long time since I've done a special stream, special wheeled stream. I do wish I could do more of the 18+ stream I did back then, but it is what it is. It's a bit risky, and I have built so much and done so much work in the past year. I don't want to really all go to waste, because it is maybe if I do a different channel or something like that for just that kind of content. Who knows? We'll see. Anyways, with all this said and done, it is it for today. I'll see you on Friday. Sorry, I meant next Thursday. I'll be seeing you all on Thursday, and we'll do some stuff and play Battlefield and whatnot. And as you guys have seen, the schedule is up. I'll be uploading the schedule to Discord and Twitter tomorrow. Well, I mean later today, so Sunday's already. Yeah, with all this done, it is a short stream, yes. But yeah, with all this done, I'll be going off. And this is I'm pretty sure this is going to be the last stream. No other surprise streams. Okay, fine. But then I'll see you all on Friday. Until then, have a great day, great evening, great afternoon, great night, whatever the time, whatever the thing may be. I will see you all on Thursday with some Battlefield, and we'll do some more chatting, work, and the usual free streams on Friday and Saturday as usual. If you're not joined my Discord, do join my Discord. It is pretty much about Discord. And if you're not followed me on Twitter or Twitch or YouTube, do consider following or subscribing, whatever the platform may be. And until next time, I will see you all. Until then, bye bye. Has been Code, signing off.